Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a professional logo on the Canva. So if you don't know how to use the Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator to create a logo, you can simply go for the Canva. Here you will find different templates or Canva front end is very easy to use. So first of all, you have to open the Canva on your laptop or on the phone. Better you can go for the laptop version, so it will more understandable easily. So once you will here, now you have to click on the create a design and you have to select the logo from here. Here you have two choice. You can use any template, or you can, if you know how to use the Canva, you can simply make your own by your creativity. So first of all, I recommend you to use any template. So let's say we select this one. You can also search for anything like car logo, a building logo, or anything. Once you will do it, now zoom it. We have this logo. You can also see a Canva option. Better if you have pro version of Canva, but it's okay if you don't have. You can select the text and edit it. Let's suppose we make the Ferrari car logo. You can also change the color of the text by clicking on it, and now you have to click here. You can see color is changing. You can also change the color of the shapes. Select this one. Okay, you can also change the background color. You can simply delete it and upload some new. In the elements you will find new things. You will see more graphics here. If you have a pro version, select any from here. Also you can add shapes from here, and you can give the shape to the background. Show your creativity here and edit it according to your choice. Okay, send to the back and you will see logo is here. You can add new text here. So this is the procedure to create a professional logo on the Canva. So if you want to create a logo, you can open Canva and go to the logo and create any logo according to your choice. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.